In today's video, we're going to cover 5 foods that you can eat to help you bring harmony to your hormones. If you have any hormonal imbalance symptoms, you're tired, you're moody, your hair is thinning, your skin is dry, you have PMS symptoms, or you have irregular cycles, all of these could potentially be hormonal imbalance. Check with your doctor, but I'm here to give you 5 foods that you can eat to help you bring harmony to your hormones. Number 1 on our list are avocados. Avocados are really great for fats. Fats are really good for your hormones because they are part of the building blocks of the hormone structure. And avocados have a great healthy fat content. Avocados are also high in fiber, and fiber is great for your digestive system. Now you know your body is a whole system and it functions as one organism. We often break it up into parts when we talk about symptomatic issues, but truly the body needs to be treated as a whole being. The next food we're going to talk about on our list are flax seeds. Flax seeds may be familiar to some of you. It's really a great seed. It's very tiny. You can use it blended up and you can use it whole in your dishes. We like to use it in our oatmeal. We add it to our baked goods, and flax seeds are also high in rich, healthy oils. But flax seeds are one of the highest source of lignans. Lignans are used by the body to help balance your estrogen levels. The next food we're going to talk about is lentils. Lentils are a great protein source, but are also very high in magnesium. Now, magnesium is crucial for bodily functions, but when it comes to hormones, magnesium helps you moderate your blood sugars. And if you did not know, insulin is a hormone, and hormones function a little bit like dominoes. When one is off, they can easily offset the others. The next food we're going to talk about is bananas. Now, bananas are a great accessible fruit and they're very high in magnesium as well, but bananas also help boost testosterone levels. When you're low in testosterone, you will feel the effects and the other hormones will be offset as well. Once again, if you would like to know which hormones are off, too high or too low, make sure to get tested. That way you can know which hormones to target and which foods and which methods you need to take to get your hormones in check. The last food we're going to talk about is broccoli. Broccoli, as well as other brassicas, are a source of indole 3-carbinol, which really helps with your liver function. Now, your liver is the place that detoxes your body, keep your body and your blood clean, which then helps level out the hormones in your body in case you have excess. Those are 5 foods that you can eat starting today that will help you on your way to hormone harmony. Now, if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe and share it with a friend. Let's help each other. Let's get better. Once again, this is Everyday Nurse with sustainable wellness tips for your daily life.